Hi, let's talk about your credit score. Well, it's more than just a number. It's a critical factor that lenders use to evaluate your credit worthiness and determine your eligibility for loans, credit cards, and other financial products. But if your credit score could use a boost, fear not. There are steps you can take to improve it. Understanding these strategies and taking action can empower you to shape your financial future. Let's explore some strategies for boosting your credit score. First and foremost, pay your bills on time. Your payment history is one of the most significant factors influencing your credit score. Late payments can negatively impact you, so make it a priority to pay your bills by their due dates every time. Next, reduce your credit card balances. Your credit utilization ratio, the amount of credit you're using compared to the total available credit, plays a significant role in your credit score. Aim to keep your credit card balances low relative to your credit limits, ideally below 30%. Another effective strategy for boosting your credit score is only applying for new credit when necessary. Each time you apply for credit, a hard inquiry is placed on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your score. Be selective about the credit accounts you open and avoid applying for multiple new accounts quickly. Furthermore, consider the length of your credit history. The longer you've had credit accounts in good standing, the more positively it can impact your credit score. If you're new to credit, focus on building a positive credit history by making on-time payments and keeping your balances low. We also understand that no one is perfect and life happens. We as humans cannot control everything that happens in our lives, and that's okay. If a situation arises where you have to use your credit card to pay for a large expense, make sure you're covering your monthly minimum payment every month. Take another look at your budget with this new debt in mind. See where you can cut back in certain areas to pay off this large expense sooner rather than later. In conclusion, boosting your credit score requires diligence, patience, and responsible financial habits. Each step you take, from paying your bills on time to reducing your credit card balances, is a positive move towards a better credit score. By building a positive credit history over time, you're not just improving your credit score, you're also unlocking greater financial opportunities. Stay hopeful and motivated, and your efforts will pay off.